Top 20 Salesforce Developer Interview Questions. Question 1. What is a trigger in Salesforce? A. It's a data validation rule. B. A type of Apex class. C. A process automation tool. D. A program executed before or after database changes. The correct answer is D. A program executed before, after database changes. Triggers are used to automate actions before or after DML operations. Question 2. What is the purpose of a Visualforce page? A. To create custom UI for Salesforce. B. For data validation rules. C. To integrate external applications. D. To store metadata configurations. The correct answer is A. To create custom UI for Salesforce. Visualforce pages are used to build custom user interfaces in Salesforce. Question 3. Which method is used to call a trigger? The correct answer is D. Triggers are invoked automatically by DML operations. Triggers run automatically during DML operations. Question 4. What is a governor limit in Salesforce? A. Limit on API requests per day. B. Limit on the number of records in a query. C. Limit on the number of Salesforce objects. D. Limit on resources in a transaction to ensure fairness. The correct answer is D. Limit on resources in a transaction to ensure fairness. Governor limits protect Salesforce servers from excessive resource usage. Question 5. What is the difference between a static resource and a custom setting? A. Static resources store metadata. Custom settings store data. B. Static resources are used for UI elements. Custom settings are for business logic. C. Static resources store application logic. Custom settings store settings data. D. Static resources store code. Custom settings store Salesforce data. The correct answer is B. Static resources are used for UI elements. Custom settings are for business logic. Static resources store files, and custom settings store configurable data. Question 6. What does SOQL stand for? A. Standard Object Query Language. B. Salesforce Online Query Language. C. Salesforce Object Query Language. D. Salesforce Offline Query Language. The correct answer is C. Salesforce Object Query Language. SOQL is used to query Salesforce data, similar to SQL. Question 7. What is the purpose of the Apex class test? A. It is used to manage test cases. B. It is a standard test for errors. C. It is used for unit testing and test coverage. D. It is used for data retrieval in testing. The correct answer is C. It is used for unit testing and test coverage. The test class is used to write unit tests and measure code coverage. Question 8. What is a batch Apex in Salesforce? A. An asynchronous process to handle large data volumes. B. A tool for scheduling processes. C. A method of calling Apex code in bulk. D. A way to execute code on demand. The correct answer is A. An asynchronous process to handle large data volumes. Batch Apex processes large datasets asynchronously in chunks. Question 9. What is the difference between public and private in Apex? A. Public makes methods accessible to all. Private is internal. B. Public allows external access. Private restricts access within the class. C. Public allows access within the same organization. Private within the class. D. Public allows database operations. Private restricts it. The correct answer is B. Public allows external access. Private restricts access within the class. Public and private keywords control method visibility in Apex classes. Question 10. Which of the following is a valid collection in Apex? A. List. B. Map. C. Set. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Apex supports list, map, and set collections for data storage. Question 11. Which statement is true about Salesforce Lightning? A. Lightning is a mobile application only. B. Lightning includes a component framework and UI for apps. C. Lightning is only available in the Developer Edition. D. Lightning is not customizable by developers. The correct answer is B. Lightning includes a component framework and UI for apps. Salesforce Lightning includes tools for building modern user interfaces and apps. Question 12. What is a custom metadata type in Salesforce? A. A custom object for storing configuration data. B. A type for storing metadata only. C. A way to store test data. D. A type of record in a standard object. The correct answer is A. A custom object for storing configuration data. Custom metadata types store configuration settings in Salesforce. Question 13. What is an Apex trigger? A. A Salesforce method for querying data. B. A programmatic event handler for database changes. C. A method for calling third-party APIs. D. A tool for reporting and dashboard management. The correct answer is B. A programmatic event handler for database changes. Apex triggers automate actions on database records when changes occur. Question 14. What is the use of schema in Salesforce? A. It defines the database schema for Salesforce objects. B. It provides a way to track API calls. C. It allows creating reports on data. D. It helps in creating dynamic Apex classes. The correct answer is A. It defines the database schema for Salesforce objects. Schema helps in working with metadata and object relationships in Salesforce. Question 15. How do you schedule an Apex job? A. By using the Schedule Apex button. B. By creating a Visualforce page. C. By using the System Schedule method in Apex. D. By using workflow rules. The correct answer is C. By using the System Schedule method in Apex. The System Schedule method is used to schedule Apex jobs. Question 16. What is a Lightning component? A. A custom page layout. B. A reusable unit of UI functionality in Lightning. C. A workflow rule. D. A type of Salesforce report. The correct answer is B. A reusable unit of UI functionality in Lightning. Lightning components enable dynamic and modular web-based UI creation. Question 17. What is a custom setting in Salesforce? A. A tool for custom validation rules. B. A way to store configuration data in Salesforce. C. A Salesforce component for UI customization. D. A type of standard object for metadata storage. The correct answer is B. A way to store configuration data in Salesforce. Custom settings provide a way to store reusable application data. Question 18. Which tool is used to deploy metadata in Salesforce? A. Data Loader. B. Salesforce CLI. C. Change sets. D. Workflows. The correct answer is C. Change sets. Change sets are used to deploy metadata from one Salesforce org to another. Question 19. How do you improve performance of large queries in Salesforce? A. By optimizing field selection in SOQL. B. By increasing the governor limits. C. By reducing the number of queries executed. D. By creating more triggers. The correct answer is A. By optimizing field selection in SOQL. Select only necessary fields to reduce query load and enhance performance. Question 20. What is the maximum number of records that a batch can process in Salesforce? A. 2000, B. 1000, C. 50,000, D. 500. The correct answer is C. 50,000. Batch Apex processes up to 50,000 records in a single execution.